welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to film for you guys a fun decorating video. This is a collaboration with Carol from My Blessed Nest, as well as a number of other YouTubers. We are going to be decorating our tiered trays for winter. It's a Winter Wonderland tiered tray collab. So I'm going to link a playlist down in my description box below so you can check out everybody else's video after my own. So I'm going to be decorating the tiered tray that I have in my sort of buffet area in the dining room. I'm using like bronzes, blues, browns, whites, you know, wintry feel. And as always, my items are thrifted or vintage or secondhand in some way. I think there might be some Dollar Tree stuff in there. I'm not quite sure because sometimes there's Dollar Tree stuff too. But anyway, let's jump into the video. I'm going to do it sort of speed style decorating with some music for you guys, and then I will show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So I hope that you enjoy, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you end up liking this video and you want to see more content from me, then be sure to subscribe, and let's just get decorating. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up like I said before. If you aren't subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see more videos from me, then please consider subscribing so you don't miss a video in the future. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!